Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to your daily update on gas. We're covering it again today, but I'm not sure how long I will still cover this. I mean, as you can see right now, gas it has been super bearish. And yesterday, after dropping down to $12, we talked about potentially gas still rallying up towards 16 and 16.5, and then continuing down. But it just dropped. It did not find any support, and right now it's at the 200 EMA at $8, $7.5, strong support again. But in general, I mean, it's over for gas. All right, super manipulated. I know a lot of people lost money on this, but like if you followed my videos on that, you wouldn't have lost money. All right, because I've told you so often to stay away from gas. All right, this was clear manipulation. Most people knew that, but in the case of manipulation, the fact is that it's a zero-sum game. So if the manipulators will make money, and they will make millions, so that means millions of dollars will be lost by people, by retail. So yeah, I usually, unless you're a very good trader, I usually advise you to stay away from this. And currently, like, I do think at some point, gas right now, it seems to be following the trajectory of Loom quite a bit. Which I'm not sure if I have that chart right here. I don't think so, but it seems to be following the trajectory of Loom. So that also fell down a lot, and then it started consolidating. It does seem like gas has found an area where it can consolidate here at the 200 EMA, 786 fib, and just in general a strong key level. But it's bearish, all right, and it will not, like, gas will probably not get back up to the levels again around $30 for a very long time, months and months and months. All right, right now it's more likely, if we zoom into the 1 hour time frame, like, sure, gas could actually still get some sort of a small rally here, because if you consider the liquidation map right here, what you'll see is that there's quite a bit of liquidity right here at like $10, etc., and a little bit higher here at $13. So getting up there, getting a bit of a spike up to those levels is a possibility. But I don't personally, like, the most I could see right now is that gas breaks above 9.25, which is a bit of a resistance level. And if it breaks above that, that's some bullish confirmation. So then it could grab that liquidity up here at 11.5 and 12.5. That's a possibility, right? So that would be a small rally from the current levels. That would actually be a rally of about 50% still. So that's a bit much, I think. But if gas really does break above 9.3 right here, if it closes above that, we could see some more bullish momentum to grab some liquidity. But in general, gas will remain bearish, and it's way more likely that gas will test $7.5 right now. And if gas is not able to hold $7.5, so if it breaks down below that, it's going to drop down even lower. Like, it's going to drop down to that area around $5 again. So even though gas has fallen down a lot, don't see this as a reason to buy. I mean, before this manipulation, gas was around $3. All right, so gas is not worth that much. All right, 8.5, even though that's a very long way down from 28. Is still relatively high from the prices a month ago. So personally, I would still stay out of gas. A lot is possible right here. I would say it's most likely that we'll see a consolidation followed by more bearish momentum, a bearish breakout below 7.5 and a drop down towards $6 and $5. I'd say that's most likely. There's a chance that gas will rally a little bit if it breaks above 9.3 here, but eventually it will just drop back down and do something like this. So those are my thoughts, and like I said, please stay away. There's right now there's not even that much money to be made anymore on gas. So be careful out in the markets, guys. If you're ever wondering about a crypto like this, usually I've made a video on it, and then at least you have a little bit of information around it. But for now, that's my take on gas. So if you still like these daily updates, let me know. Then I'll keep doing them. But eventually the price will just fall flat, and then it's no longer worth it, I suppose. Lastly, I also have my own premium group and signal group. Links to that will be down in the description and a pinned comment. If that sounds interesting, if you want some profitable signals, or if you want to become a better trader, check that out. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.